Hi. So last week we were in Arizona.
No.
No?
We started
vlogging
about
Arizona.
trip.
Sorry. Yeah. It's nice to go to a different state. I hope you guys will join us exploring Arizona.
How many miles we don't know, but we'll share to you how many miles and how many gallons and dollars of gas
Yeah.
we have.
It's quite the drive and some money for gas.
Please watch and enjoy. It's day 2. Good morning sa inyo, and we are heading to another beautiful place here in Arizona, and we've seen it sa internet, sa Google, the pictures that are really amazing, beautiful, pero we're gonna be seeing it ourselves kung gaano kaganda. It's a very good weather, and we are on our way to
Arizona.
No.
Grand Canyon.
No.
Antelope Valley.
Lower Antelope Canyon, not valley. And we just made a quick stop here in this beautiful view. We don't have a nice camera to really zoom it, but I hope you see and appreciate the beauty of this place. So we're gonna be seeing some more, so hang in there and keep watching. Shell, $4.89. More red rock. You have to wear your mask and you have to book online ahead of time kasi they fill up really fast.
Yes.
A week before, we were looking and it says it's fully booked. So, thank God kasi siguro may mga cancellation. So, like 3 days prior
Yeah.
we checked again and we found
A spot.
4 spots for 4 heads here. So, and it's $50 per adult and $30 for children, but there are more expensive ones, pero yun yung basic, I think. But just check online and you find more infos there. They have porta potty and it's not peak season, so there's only a few cars here. Pero first time namin, so I don't know if how busy it could get during peak season yung. We are waiting for our turn. Say hi, Daddy. So you have to check in 30 minutes before. You cannot do the tour on your own. You have to check in early and wait for your turn. As always, we're early, which is good. Just a few more minutes, it will be our tour time already. Wait, so while we are planning the trip, we thought kaya ba ni Lola na to go with us do this hike?
So yeah, so we went inside. At first it was okay yung walks. Yeah, it's fine. Pero after looking under the stairs part, which was very
The initial part.
initial stairs, and it was really kind of like it's like an iffy, parang kang natatakot dahil you're not sure if, kasi even me, I was kind of scared na would I be able to do it, or Kayla would be able to do it, or so.
Lalo na yung, kasi yung first part, by the way, videos are not allowed, so we're just gonna try to describe it. Just pictures, kasi sacred sa kanila, sa tribe na to yung place. So, umpisa pa lang you walk, okay, it's an easy hike nga. Pero going down would require you to, I went down backward,
That's the part where I think I would be scared to go facing front too. So we had to hold to the rail, tapos you do your little
you
dance.
do your way.
Your dance way of going down.
Yeah.
So
it's a total of 5 flights of stairs. After you reach the bottom, it's 130 steps total. There would be 4 more medium stairs after you reach the bottom, and 4 to 5 small steps. May few pictures kami of how the stairs look like. So hike and then going down are 6 ladders that some require that you do it backwards, and then it's varying steepness and length.
and make sure if you're gonna go, wear the right gear. No boots. You should wear maybe running shoes, or
Hiking shoes.
and the lightest things that you could bring, and just try to be safe, because once you go down, okay,
It's a challenging.
It's a challenging. You ask yourself, am I gonna be able to do it?
Yeah, but it's really so all worth it. Awesome trip that you'll be amazed of how nature looks like, how God designed it. So enjoy watching. The weather forecast is that it's gonna be so windy today, and we thought we could miss, or our tour would be canceled. And this is Kat reporting from the Weather Channel. It's time to put gas. 5.20, so we'll take this. Compared to $6 something, no? In California. I have to mention na it's good to bring your own food kasi they don't have much food doon sa kanilang parang cafe. So, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. Kinain namin ng aming rice, longganisa, and spam na baon. Itlog and banana. Nagutom sa walking tour. For City of Page. Shuben.
Alright.
City of Page. We are at where the bush bend. Thank you, Lord, at ang phone ko ay nandito pa rin, and run here kasi I realized I don't have my phone with me. There's a fire. U-turn and reroute kasi may fire. You don't really know the cause of the fire, if it's really a fire, but kanina nasa video kung anong nangyari. So we'll go Grand Canyon way, and tomorrow sa Grand Canyon kami, pero sana wala namang traffic problem, and yun, so we're gonna reroute. Day 2 still going Arizona trip. Alright.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,